Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. The Cargo Ship Safety Radio Certificate is a fundamental document required for all cargo ships of 300 gross tonnage and upwards engaged on international voyages to ensure they possess the necessary communication capabilities for distress and safety purposes. This certificate is issued under the regulations of the International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea and confirms that the ship is in full compliance with the Global Maritime Distress and Safety System requirements known as GMDSS. The primary purpose of this certificate is to guarantee that a vessel can communicate with shore-based authorities and other ships at all times, especially during emergencies, to coordinate search and rescue operations. It covers all essential radio communication equipment, including very high-frequency radio installations for short-range communication and medium or high-frequency systems for long-distance contact. The certificate is accompanied by a document called Form R, which provides a detailed record of the equipment installed on board, such as satellite emergency position, indicating radio beacons, search and rescue transponders, and maritime safety information receivers. During the survey for this certificate, a qualified radio surveyor tests the functionality of every piece of equipment, including the reserve source of energy, which is usually a bank of batteries capable of powering the radio station in the event of a total blackout. The surveyor also verifies that the ship has the required number of radio operators holding valid certificates of competency and that all radio logs are being maintained correctly with daily and weekly tests recorded. The certificate specifies the sea areas in which the ship is certified to operate, ranging from Area A1 within VHF coverage of a coast station to Area A4, which includes the polar regions where satellite coverage may be limited. A cargo ship safety radio certificate is typically valid for 5 years, but it must undergo a mandatory annual survey to ensure that the equipment remains reliable and that the latest software and frequency updates are applied. If the radio equipment is found to be faulty, or if the distress buttons are not properly protected against accidental activation, the ship can be detained by port state control, as communication is the lifeline of a vessel in distress. It is the responsibility of the designated radio officer or the second mate to conduct regular tests of the equipment and to ensure that the shore-based maintenance agreement is valid and up to date. By maintaining a valid safety radio certificate, a ship ensures that it is never truly alone at sea and that help is always just a broadcast away. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.